How to make cinematic intro. First, let's watch the preview. So, to make cinematic intro in Android, we will use the application Kinemaster downloaded from the Google Play Store. So, let's start the tutorial. How to make cinematic intro. Open Kinemaster application. Create a new project. Go to Image Assets and select a black background. Extend it to around 10 seconds. Go to Layers, Text, and add your text. Make sure there is no white space before or after your text. Drag it till the end on timeline. Next, change the font to Oswald Stencil Bold. I have provided the link in the description. Next, go to Text option and increase the character spacing. Next, you need to go to the Asset Store and download 4 effects. So tap on Effects, select Mask from the left-hand menu, install Shaped Mask. Next, install Linear Mask. Next, tap Lens and install this mirror effect. Finally, tap Transforms and install this transform effect. I already have these installed. Next, we will add these effects one by one. Go to Layers, Effect, Mirror, and tap this first option, Mirror H, that is horizontal. Drag it upwards and you will be able to see the mirrored text. Go to Settings and change it to Reverse. Drag the layer downwards. Adjusting a bit. Extend it till the end on timeline. Next, add the transform layer. Go to Layer, Effect, Transform, and select the first option, Perspective 1. Now, if you apply the effect to the whole screen, then both the original text and the reflected text will be affected like this. We don't want this, so we will drag the effect layer downwards and cover only the reflected text. Go to Settings and you need to change few parameters like Slope Y, Extent X, Extent Y, and so on. It may take some time to adjust it as you want. You may need to adjust the mirror layer to get your desired result. Adjusting a bit more. Yes, complete. And drag the layer till the end on timeline. Next, go to Layers, Media, and add this image. This copyright-free image is downloaded from Pexels.com. The link is provided in the description. So go to Blending and change it to Multiply. So I will drag the layer downwards so that the effect applies only to the reflected text. Next, go to Layers, Media, and select the black background. Now select the cropping tool and crop it to a thin strip. Now, probably this is something new that you will learn. You can change the layer name in Kinemaster. So this is how you do it. Go to the layer, information, and type your layer name. Select OK when done. See, the name I typed has now appeared on the timeline. Next, I want the new black layer to appear from around 3 seconds. So I will trim the portion before that. Next, I will use the animation tool and create keyframes such that the strip moves from left to right and then again back to left, as I am showing here. Next, send the effect backwards 3 times so that the effect appears both on the original layer and on the reflected layer. Yes, like this. Go to layers and select effect. Select this circle from shaped mask. Increase the feather. Now pinch out to expand and adjust the layer and apply as I have shown. I am changing the name of this layer too. Now I will add an in animation. So let me add this rubber stamp effect. Let me play it once. Yes, it looks good. Now I will export the movie to its highest resolution. Next, I will again create a new project. Select the black background and extend it to around 10 seconds. Go to Media and add this video. I have downloaded this video from Pexels.com. It is copyright free and I have provided the link in the description. I will trim some part of the image and then I will decrease the opacity. Next I will go to Layers, Media and add the movie that we had just exported. Now go to Blending and change it to Screen. Adjust the position. Next, you need to go to Asset Store and download the cinematic frame under Stickers, Frames. Go to Layers, Sticker and add the cinematic frame like this. Drag it till the end on timeline. So I think this looks good. I will decrease the opacity a bit more. Next, I will add a background music. Finally, I will add an audio and video fade in and fade out effect. Our movie is ready. We will now export it. So let's watch the output. Now, if you want to make a YouTube channel glitch intro, watch this tutorial on left. Or if you want to learn other intros, watch playlist on right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.